Hello everyone, my name is Poornima BG. I am studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology, first year CSBS. My innovation topic is 2-in-1 dustbin. A 2-in-1 dustbin typically refers to trash receptacle that has two separate compartments or sections for sorting and separating different types of waste, such as recyclable and non-recyclable. Advantages: space saving. It helps to save space by consolidating two bins into one, making it suitable for homes with a limited space. Next one is conveyance. It simplifies the recycle process by providing separate compartments for recyclable and non-recyclable. Next one is environment impact. Promotes recycle and reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills, which is better for the environment. Next one is disadvantages. Limited capacity. The dual compartments may have smaller individual capacities compared to separate bins, which could require more frequent emptying. Cost: 2-in-1 dustbin can be more expensive than traditional single bins. Maintenance: cleaning and maintaining two compartments can be slightly more time consuming and challenging. Thank you.